Hi, today I will show you how to connect AirPods with Android phone. Unlock your phone and go to Settings. Go to Bluetooth Settings and turn on the Bluetooth. Now open the AirPods case and press the button on the back of the AirPods case for few seconds. You will see white light on AirPod case. Wait for few seconds. There you go, you will see AirPods name on your phone. Pair with it. There you go, your AirPods are connected to your Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and how that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.